What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Champ Vlogs, and today we are doing a cool little video. Some stuff with the E46, nothing too big. Basically, I wanted to spice up the interior a little bit. As far as the interior goes, it's all tan and brown, and I really want to try to modernize it a little bit. I'm throwing some carbon fiber in there, and I've been waiting for like 2 months now for this carbon fiber set to come in that I ordered online, and it finally got here today. And the disappointment, man. The disappointment. So this is the piece right here. This is the set that came in the mail after 2 months of waiting. These are the door handles. This is supposed to be somewhere in the center console. These are supposed to go around the speakers and the door handle, and I believe that this goes around the gauge cluster. Now when I ordered this, it said it was an 8-piece set. It told me that it was a full door handle, not half of a door handle. It was more center console pieces, and it didn't mention these parts or this gauge clusters part. And I go back online to look at it, and they finally decide to put a picture up of this, literally this exact thing. So if I had seen this, you know, when I ordered it, I never would have, because this is basically like, it's like I spent like $50 for all of this and adhesive stuff. So my dad ordered some carbon fiber wrap because he was gonna wrap his bike that he has. You guys probably seen a previous vlog before. He was gonna wrap the whole bike, but it wasn't sticking to his bike. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull the pieces off of the where the gear shifter is. I'll show you guys when we get out there what pieces I'm taking off just today for this video. Yeah, we're gonna go take the. I need tools. We're gonna go take the pieces off that I can take off now. I'm gonna try and get that middle spot taken out too, and then we'll go from there. Let's run over to the car real quick. I have to, hopefully, I think I left the screwdriver in there. Oh, and it's raining. There she is, my baby. Ooh, she's so pretty and thick. It's hot. I'm turning the AC on, so originally when I got the trim piece, it said that whole spot right there was gonna be taken care of. All of this, some of this here, and this. I'm sorry, I don't know. I keep fogging up. It's probably because it's hot. Just that, and then this side too. So basically what we are doing today is we're taking this off right here, this right here, and I'm gonna try and get this off as well. And we're gonna wrap those pieces just to see how they come out. This was already kind of coming off because I was looking at my speakers, and it's probably really loud. I was looking at my speakers and trying to figure out something, so it's already kind of come off a little bit, and that way I'll be able to cover all this up and get rid of those cracks. And I'm not a fan of the dark wood. Like, it's really like old school for sure. I'm gonna try and get this piece off. But for those who don't know about these, it's so simple. Literally take flathead screwdriver. Come on, let's get that focus in on the flathead. Yep. Basically, anyways, you put it right here on this side. It's basically like clips right here, and then there's a clip here, and then there's a clip here. And you just take it, slide it till you hear it pop. Take it, slide it till you hear it pop, and this thing comes right off. And these two are connected together basically. You guys want to make sure you're careful when you're doing this, because as you can see, there's cracks. These were already here when I first got the car. I noticed it when I first bought it. I didn't do this personally, but if you just do it a little too hard or get too aggressive with it, you can definitely crack these if you like the way yours is already on here looking. So just be careful when you're taking these off. Next, I'm gonna try to get this piece, and I'm gonna try and get the center one. This is exactly what I mean. You have to be careful. I just cracked that. All right, I'm giving up on this. I've been trying for like 10 minutes and I can't get it, and I already cracked it, so I'm pissed. I mean, it's not that serious, but I was not trying to do that. It's all good. We're gonna figure out how to get this off in the next video probably. This will definitely get wrapped though. Yeah. And I can't get these off for nothing. So we're gonna try and get this off. So for this, is pretty simple. My shift knot's kind of cracked because I've been trying to get it off. You just supposedly put your hands here. It only has 2 clips here and here, and on the same side here and here. So you just take the 2 clips, you squeeze it, and it should pop right off. And I'm pretty sure you can just like, I think there's like 2 screws here that you have to do to get it all fully, and then you're good. that shift boot. Look at the inside of this, man. What's been going on? Basically, screw here, Phillips, and it should pop right out. We have to try to maneuver this around this because, yeah, it's gonna be. So once you get the 2 screws out, it should be easy as just pulling it up. You just want to take your time, obviously, so you don't crack anything. Pop it up, and then you have these plugs for the window. You just take those out. I think it's literally like a little notch right there. You pull that, and it should be able to come straight out. And there we go, just like that. We got the whole thing out. I'm happy. It's gonna look like a mess for a little while for now, but we got the piece out, man. So let's take these pieces inside and see what we can do with the carbon fiber wrap. All right, guys, this is my dad. Make sure you guys follow him on Instagram. Link right there. Not a link, but his little Instagram handle. Go ahead and give him that follow. Show him some love. Alright guys, I had to drop out for a second and make a quick trip, but my dad literally did the other 2 and he's working on the gear shifting section now. But basically they came out really good. I mean, just get a better look for you. Sheesh. We're gonna redo this one because we figured out like a little technique to get it so that way it's nice and sleek, so that way when we put it in it should fit perfectly. Everything looks so good. I love it. Focus gang, come on. You can still kind of see the crack through it a little bit, but it's still fine. I mean, I love it. It's better than being more noticeable than this. It looks so good, bro. I can't wait to put it in. So we're gonna let this stuff sit overnight just because we want to make sure that it all stays on and doesn't come off, because my dad did this with his bike and you said you left it overnight and it ended up popping off.
See, you got that hard plastic. I had that plastic.
Alright guys, it looks so good. It looks really good. We're gonna let it sit for the day just to make sure that it doesn't come off or anything like that. As long as it doesn't come off, we're all good. We'll install it. So this vlog will catch up to you guys tomorrow. So let's do that. Oh, hi dog, hi. The edges kind of came back up, so what we're gonna do is, okay, you just want to be part of the video, don't you? What we're gonna do is just take some Gorilla Glue and glue it. I'm not too pressed on this wrap staying on here and if it damages it or anything like that, because at the end of the day it's going to be in my car, so I'm not tripping. We're going to do that outside, inside, on all of these, let it sit for a couple minutes, and then we're going to put it back. Whole inside, so that whole inside looks well done. You can see how just like it's laying like perfectly flat against it. It's awesome. But the end result looks great. It's amazing. I'm so excited to put it on the car. Hey boys, let's put this in. Stop. Man, it looks so good. I'm so happy. I'm like really happy. Oh my God. I gotta figure out how to get this one off. We won't be doing this in this video. And then next thing will probably be the seats. I have somebody trying to sell me some black ones, so we'll probably be replacing those. And then we'll do the door, and then we'll go from there. You know, get this, and then the back seats and everything in the back, and yeah. So that's gonna wrap up the video. I'll give you guys a cold start. I'm actually about to leave, so it's not really a cold startup. It's a warm startup. There you have it. I'm so in love with this car, man. I can't wait for you guys to see so much more with this. Like, there's so much more to this build. It's amazing. I'm excited. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you guys are brand new. I will catch you guys in the next episode. It's your boy Champ Vlogs, and we out.